In this video, I'll be reviewing the best-selling course of 2020 that is set to help you figure out what business you're going to start and how you're going to start it. Hello everyone! If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. Alright, so just before we get into it, I have a question for you. Do you know what your purpose in life is? And do you know how to turn that purpose into a profit? Well, that's what this video is all about. Profit with Purpose is the best-selling course of 2020 that is set to help you figure out what business you're going to start and how you're going to start it. So grab a pen and paper, sit back, relax, and let's dive right into it. Profit with Purpose is a brand new course. It's set to be released at the end of June 2020. It was designed and developed by a young entrepreneur who has been dominating the online marketing and the online business scene since last year and well into this year. And guess what? I got him on the phone. And I'm going to share with you snippets of our conversation. Here we go. So who is Tyga Rush?
Okay, so who is Tyga Rush? Well, a little backstory about me. I was a U.S. Marine for 9 years, and after that I ended up studying physics and mathematics of all things at the University of South Carolina. One day I had this encounter where I had a vision, a dream. The dream was so vivid and so real that it felt more real than the real life I'm living in right now. And in this vision, I was told to give away everything that I own to the poor and the needy. And after I woke up from that, from that dream, that vision, I was like, nope, that's just not happening. I am not giving away everything that I own. I'm not a crazy person. I had a second experience. And in the second experience, I was kind of like told in a way to go to a park that was near my house at the time, where I ended up encountering an older black woman. And again, I felt this calling, this voice telling me to tell her that that season of life that she's going through is over now. Fast forward, I ended up in the Philippines. And this is where I met my wife. I also had met my mentor here. We started working together, and it sparked off a series of events in my life that ended up making me take my first step towards this program, Profit with Purpose. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach people how to turn their purpose into profit and make an impact on the world.
Can you tell us, what is Profit with Purpose? What is it all about? What does it mean to you?
So what is Profit with Purpose? So basically, Profit with Purpose is a program that I created that I wish I had when I first started out. It's pretty much designed to take a person who wants to start a business but is maybe confused about what it is that they really want to do online. Like, should it be drop shipping? Should it be e-commerce? Should I become a life coach? What about affiliate marketing? And it's not only designed to help a person understand what kind of business it is that they want to start, but also understand who you are as a human being, who it is that you want to serve in the world, the problems or the issues that you'd like to solve in order to make the world a better place. And then it takes this newfound certainty and knowledge and helps you create a profitable online business around it.
Didn't you get some goosebumps just by hearing his story? He is the most humble and gracious human being I've met this year. And if you don't believe me, send him a message on Facebook, reach out to him, have a conversation with him, and you will see how authentic and how much he really wants to help, people start their business and succeed in that business. Okay, so the course is brand new, like I said. It's made up of 4 chapters, and we are going to go through those 4 chapters so that you can get an insight of what to expect. So the course is designed for complete beginners. So if you're someone who is still sitting on the fence, wondering, Should I start a business? Yes, you should start your business. So, Profit with Purpose will help you from ideation right through to execution. Okay, I've got the old girls on now, I can see. So, I'll be looking at my notes so that we can dive right into the chapters. So, chapter 1, Down the Rabbit Hole. It challenges you to look at your life from a whole different perspective so that you start to loosen your whole belief on, the rigid sense of self and realize that you can be whatever you want to be. One of the great things I actually admire about this course, because I have personally invested in many courses over my career as an affiliate marketer, and I have never seen anything like this. And one of the things that he's included in this course is psychometric tests. So you get to do 2 of those, not just 1, 2, and it's all completely free. So one is to assess your personality, and the other is to assess your behaviors. So before you start diving into the course, you take these 2 tests, and the idea behind the test is so that you can identify where you currently are now and where you want to be in the future. All right. So in chapter 2, you are finding your superpower. So essentially, you'll be researching what problem is out there in the world that you can solve and resonates with you. And then you also find who you want to serve. So finding your ideal customer. Then you're going to do further research to find out how is it that you're going to solve that problem. So whether it may be, affiliate marketing, coaching, consulting, even a course. So you will start the process to delivering that solution for the problem that you found from your research. So now you've found your purpose and what you need to do to make your life meaningful. So chapter 3 is all about bringing those 2 chapters together, chapter 1 and chapter 2. You're going to be building your results machine. So now that you've identified the problem and the solution, he goes on now to show you how to build a system, taking them from, where they are to the solution. So the final chapter in the Profit with Purpose course is Facebook Accelerator. So here he goes on to show you how to find your ideal customer, how to find those people who have that problem that you identified and that you want to solve. All right, so let's talk about bonuses. Profit with Purpose comes with some great bonuses, and they are done for you social media marketing. So for example, social media posts and an email swipe to get you started. Also, once you've completed the course, you automatically have the option to sign up to become an affiliate for Profit with Purpose course. With that, you get to earn a commission. And for the most anticipated question, what does it cost? This course is over-delivering on value big time. Priced at $197. Yes, you heard that right. Priced at $197, it will blow your mind. And it doesn't stop there. You will also get access to his free Facebook group where he continues to over-deliver on value each week. Please let me know in the comments if this video resonates with you. Drop me a win big in the comments so I know that you're ready to take action. And whilst you're down there, go ahead, press the like button, hit the subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you don't miss another video.